No, not my kids! Oh, please, they're gonna be in danger! Oh, keep going. Oh, you were disappointed. Luckily, there's no more. Oh my god, there's more! No, my kids! Alright, let's watch this one. Okay. Alright, not too bad. Oh, yeah, they broke. Okay. No! Oh my god, what can I children? Is that more? I don't even know what those are. Are those my kids? I don't even know what those are. Oh, never mind, they're just balls. Okay, this one I have high expectations for this one. High expectations. Never mind. Wait, what the heck is that? Wait, was there one inside? What, is that against the walls? Oh my gosh, it's gonna do it. Oh my gosh. Oh! Yeah!
Clean? Oh my gosh, we're cleaning. Oh my gosh. Scrub! Scrub that like you mean it. If you don't scrub it like you mean it, you are not a good cleaner. You need to be a good cleaner. Clean! Scrub them. Scrub them like you're working at 7-Eleven. Scrub them like you're working at 9 to 5 to, McDonald's. Scrub it like you're working at Arby's. We have the meat! Okay, it's pretty clean. Oh, is that a scrub daddy? My gosh, you're using a scrub daddy? Man, you better scrub them. Scrub them real good. I like the noises. Oh,